Welcome to my channel, The World of Literature. This is the 11th video in the series of film studies and literature. Today, I am going to deal with the topic iconic Indian movies adapted from popular or acclaimed books. There are many, but I have selected three for today's discourse. The Namesake. This film is an adaptation of Jhumpa Lahiri's novel of the same name. The film was directed by Meera Nair and stars Tabu, Irfan Khan, Sahira Nair, and others. The film tells the story of Ganguly family who emigrated from India to the United States in the 60s. The film follows the family as they adjust to the new life in America and raises their two children, Gogol and Sonia. Gogol struggles to find his identity in America, feeling torn between his Bengali heritage and his American upbringing. The themes of this film are assimilation and identity crisis. Gogol's struggle to balance Indian roots with his American surroundings serve as a powerful exploration of identity crisis. Number two is cultural identity. The film delves into the challenges of maintaining cultural tradition and values in a new country. Gogol's journey is a quest to find his place in the world caught between two cultures. The Namesake is a poignant and thought provoking exploration of the immigrant experience, identity, and cultural heritage. Number two in the list is The Blue Umbrella, 2005. Directed by Vishal Bharadwaj, this film is based on Ruskin Bond's novel of the same name. That is, the name of the novel is The Blue Umbrella. Set in the picturesque Himalayan village of Himachal Pradesh, the story revolves around a young girl named Binia who owns a prized and precious blue umbrella. When a city tourist becomes infatuated with her umbrella, a series of events unfold, exploring themes of materialism, envy, and simple joys of life in a village. The themes in this film are number one, innocence and childhood. The film celebrates the beauty of childhood and the innocence of Vinya's world. Number two, greed and materialism. The umbrella The blue umbrella in fact sparks greed in the villagers, leading to a series of events that threaten Vinya's happiness. Number three is simple living. The film highlights the joys of simple living, appreciating nature, and finding happiness in everyday moments. Bharadwaj's adaptation captures the charm of Bond's writing and the beauty of the Himalayan landscape, making it a delightful cinematic experience. Number three is Razi 2018. Directed by Meghna Gulzar, Razi is a gripping thriller based on the book Calling Sehmat by Harinder Sikh. Here, the name of the film is changed. The name of the book is Calling Sehmat, and the name of the film is Razi. The film is based on the true story of Sehmat Khan, an Indian spy who married a Pakistani officer during the Indo Pakistani War of 1971. The film brilliantly portrays the tension, patriotism, and moral dilemmas faced by the protagonist. Razi sheds light on the unsung heroes of espionage and the sacrifices they make for their countries, making it a compelling and emotionally charged cinematic experience. The themes in this film are patriotism, sacrifice, and bravery. Sehmat's journey showcases the ultimate sacrifice she makes for her country, highlighting the theme of patriotism. The film honored the bravery and selflessness of unsung heroes like Sehmat who risked everything for their nation. Next is identity and belonging. Sehmat's dual identity as an Indian and a Pakistani wife create tension, exploring the complexities of belonging and loyalty. Next, number three, female empowerment. Sehmat's character embodies empowerment as she takes charge of her life and makes difficult choices to serve her country. Razi is a gripping and emotional tribute to the unsung heroes of war, exploring the complexities of patriotism, identity, and sacrifice. These are the few selected adaptations. These and other adaptations have not only brought cherished stories to a wider audience but have also elevated the art of filmmaking. This unique blend of literature and cinema has given rise to some truly extraordinary movies that have left an indelible mark on Indian cinema. Thanks, friends. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.